देखो वहाँ भी 15 से 18 होंगे, तो ये छोटे छोटे ग्रुप्स नहीं बनाना है वहाँ, आपको एज ए ग्रुप डिस्कस करना है। ठीक है, प्लीज स्टार्ट।
We can also.
Okay. So with Anushka to Krishan and Aarti to Nikita. First group start.
And about the background, civil services background is common in every story. So let's
We
go
can
for
make
it.
him main knowledge of
knowledge about the farmers, you know.
So we should conduct a seminar regarding it so that the people will be aware about the seminar.
So the
Against you, awareness is very important, but
by this background,
so I think that he can give knowledge at the conversation
Yes, and also the tractors and harvesters can be purchased on a subsidy.
Okay, nominate a person from this group and nominate from a person from this group.
Chess number 1.
बंद कर दिए नहीं सर।
गौरव
कौन है?
शाश्वत
इधर का कौन है? शाश्वत और
सर 3 लोग करते हैं।
हाँ, गौरव, शाश्वत,
आर्यन
आर्या। और यहाँ का
ये
अरे नाम तो ले ले किसी के।
अच्छे नाम
आरती दीदी।
आरती सारा एंड आई कैन
So we'll start with Aarti, and then Gaurav, then Shashwat, Aryan, and then yeah, chalo.
Jain sir, thank you group for nominating me. Sir, from the discussion we have concluded that we have perceived 3 characters from the picture. All are male, the age is between 35 to 50 years of age, the mood is positive, the action is knowledge increases from sharing. Ram is a 35-year-old, is a government teacher in village Mankapur. One day he met Sarpanch. He introduced him about the various advancement technology in cultivating and harvesting, like the tractor, harvester, the seedling machines, and also introduced him about the various irrigation method, like the drip irrigation, the sprinkler, and also introduced him about the schemes like the Kisan credit card and about the loan and subsidies which government has offered to the farmers. Later they introduced this to the villagers, and the production is increased due to these advancement in the technology and help in the better management.
Knowledge बढ़ा ले, पास हो जाएगी. Next.
Jain sir, thank you group for
Casual
nominating.
नहीं, आराम से खड़े हो जाओ. पहले विश्राम में.
Jain sir, thank you group for nominating me. From the picture, we have concluded after discussion that from the picture we have perceived 3 characters, all males, age ranging between 25 to 45 years. The action of my story is an IS officer spreading awareness about the new technologies. So Ram is a 28-year-old man who is an IS officer in the Rampur district of Madhya Pradesh. He went to the village after getting the survey results. he saw that the production of the crop is getting low day by day. So after consulting to the Sarpanch, he has conducted seminar in the village for spreading the awareness about the new technologies and all the government schemes that has been provided to the farmers for the better production of the crops. The farmers, after listening to the seminar, they were helped and the production of the crops was increased. Thank you.
Good.
Jain sir, thank you group for nominating me for concluding the discussion of the group. From the by the conclusion, I would like to explain that the picture we have perceived is from the picture we have perceived is there are 3 males. The age bracket is between 25 to 40 years old. The overall mood of the individuals in the picture is positive, and the action we have taken is spreading awareness about the modern agricultural practices and equipments that can be used for increasing production of the crops. So Ram is a civil services has recently cleared civil services exam and has done research in agricultural practices. From consulting Sarpanch of the village, he has recently conducted a seminar in which he is spreading the awareness about the modern agricultural practices, where he sees a farmer who is using traditional methods for sowing crops and for using threshing methods. So he consults a landlord of that particular piece of land and explains about the modern day equipment such as drones and threshers, which can ease the job and increase the production. In addition to it, he also explains the schemes of the government which can benefit the farmers for buying a land and reduce the debt in which they are in from the landlords. Thank you.
Jain sir, thank you group for nominating me. We conclude from the picture that there are 3 characters, age ranging between 26 to 49, and overall mood is positive. Action of the story is conducting a survey on the village for the growth of agriculture production. And Ram, 26-year-old boy working in a agriculture department, who is assigned the task for conducting a survey in the particular village, where he collect the total number of population of the village, and he divided the population into the who's working in the agriculture field, and inspect the ground field where about the agriculture production, and giving the providing the government scheme which is benefit for the farmers and for the upliftment of the their production and livelihood, and at last he make the report and submit it to their department. Thank you.
Jai Hind sir, thank you group for nominating me. From the group discussion, we have come to a conclusion that Rajesh is a 22-year-old research student and he has to go on a survey in a village. So he decided to go into his village and did a survey on how the farmers buy the crops and seeds, and starting from there how they retail and how they sell their crops and what profit they get out of it. He started the survey by getting to know about the soil of the land, about what is the age of the soil and what crops do they yield and what profit they get from it. Also, he came to know about various other problems such as arguments relating to the field in the villages, as there was no proper documentation. So after he came to know about this, he analyzed the data and with the permission of Panchayat, he held a seminar in the village and told the farmers about how they can solve these problems, and various irrigation methods and various samitis and programs which are launched by the government, such as Samitwa and Soil Health Index, which will now help them into this. He also included the solar plant projects which are being supported by the government, and with all this the farmers could get a better profit out of their fields.
Now you have improved manifold, okay? Now you are ready for SSB. You can pass. अब पास हो या ना हो मेरे को नहीं मालूम, पर मेरी तरफ से तुम अब पास कैंडिडेट हो। थोड़ा एफर्ट लगाया, ये 2-3 महीने में प्लस पहले से जा रहे हैं एंड यू हैव इम्प्रूव्ड इन योर डेप्थ ऑफ अवेयरनेस एंड नॉलेज। तो आपकी जो स्टोरी है उसमें काफ़ी कुछ एक्शन आ रहे हैं, काफ़ी कुछ इमेजिनेशन आ रहे हैं, जिससे आपको फायदा होगा, साइकोलॉजिस्ट को इजी पढ़ने में लगेगा। और ऐसे ही अगर इंटरव्यू में भी करोगे डन। चलो और कौन है?
Jain sir, thank you group for nominating me. After having a group discussion, we have come to a conclusion that in the given picture there are 3 characters, all male, age ranging between 25 to 35. Vikram, a government surveyor, goes to a survey in the nearby villages in his district. He then goes and advises the farmers to use new techniques and so that they can increase their yield of the crop production. So then he visits a farmer Naresh and tells him about the new techniques like modern farming techniques that are using the best raw materials, HYV seeds and proper irrigation systems like drip irrigation system and using the modern machineries like tractors and such. So then he informs the farmer about the techniques so that they all can get benefit out of it. He also tells about the loans that are offered by the government that are Kisan Credit Scheme and loans given to a very low interest rate to farmers so that they can improve their financial conditions. So the farmer understands the scheme and then he tells Vikram so that he tells Vikram he will also use these schemes and get benefit out of it. Thank you.
Any other volunteers? Sankalp.
Thank you for nominating me. Jain sir, from the group discussion we have come to the conclusion that there are 3 characters, all are male and the age range is between 25 to 37 years. 47 years. The action of my story is spreading awareness to the farmers about the new agriculture methods. Ram, 25 years old, who lives in a small village named Bega in Kanpur. He has recently completed his graduation from Kanpur in Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. He has his last semester exams were now over. He had visited his hometown. He accompanied his father and uncle in the village. He saw his father and uncle using old primitive methods only for agriculture. So he made them aware about the new agriculture methods like crop rotation, mixed cropping, and also some other government schemes which can benefit them. Later, he felt elated that he could contribute in the real life problems from his knowledge.
देखो इस कॉन्फिडेंस से जाओगे तो पास हो जाओगे, ठीक है? ऐसे ही बोलना मैं आँख में देख के, ठीक है? चल बैठ। नेक्स्ट एनीवन? जब तक नॉमिनेट नहीं करे भैया उठना ही नहीं है, हैं? कौन? ओके, देयर आर 3 थिंग्स इन स्टेज 1. पहले तो आप स्टोरी लिखो, स्टोरी में अराउंड द पिक्चर लिखो, थोड़े से स्कीम्स पढ़ लो, अगर सोशल इश्यूज पे आएगी तो आप वो स्कीम्स को लिख सकते हो, तो आपका इम्पैक्ट ऑन द एसेसर्स, तीनों एसेसर्स अच्छा पड़ेगा। फिर जब खड़े होते हो तो हिलो डुलो कम, इंडिविजुअल नरेशन दे रहे हो तो अच्छे से बैठ के फॉर्मेट करो। फर्स्ट इज द बॉक्स का, gentlemen, I have seen 3 characters, all male, ages between 20 to 40, mood positive. Action of the story, spreading awareness about latest equipment in agriculture field. Ram, modulate your voice, impact padega. And then comes your group solution, जब group discussion करते हो. In group discussion, try to, अगर बोल नहीं पा रहे हो तो एक सांस जरूर मिलेगी तुम्हें, या raise your voice. Gentlemen, give a chance. Let's decide. और उस समय आप decide जब करते हो तो don't come on characters again. Then you should be talking about the story, which is more interesting. जैसे तुम्हें चांस मिला तो फिर आप बोलते नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स भी यार वो तो रिपीट कर करके कई लोग ने कर दिया, तुम स्टोरी पे ध्यान दो. Gentlemen, it is just spreading of awareness about latest equipments and schemes of the government to the agriculture farmist. ये वर्ड बोल दोगे तो तुम लोगों का ग्रुप सोल्यूशन पास हो जाएगा. एनी क्वेश्चन?
No, sir.
थैंक यू वेरी मच. चलो.